Good morning, guys. I hope you had a great sleep. And here I am today again with another side of the vlog. So I thought before leaving from home, I'll just show you how do I use this. So come on, let's see. This is how we just. You have to just spray it on your face and just tap it like that. आँख में नहीं जाना चाहिए बॉस, मतलब जाएगा तो भी डज नॉट हैव एनी इशू. You just need to rest this on your skin, let your skin absorb this for a few minutes, and maybe then you can start applying your makeup. People have requested for what's in my bag, work bag or an everyday bag video. So I'll for sure do that. Maybe in few days. Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and your day was amazing. So sorry I did not get any time today to vlog at work a bit, just to kind of show you some instances or something like that. बिल्कुल time नहीं मिला. It was too high pressure today. Lot of things are happening at work. But yeah, here we are and it's the evening in Fort. Around 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes to explore a bit. So I thought instead of taking a cab, I'll just walk and kind of take a stroll on the streets. So this is the location and I'm walking towards station. Let's see what we guys have for today. Now, एक shop है. They have dry fruits and stuff, chocolates and dry fruits stuff with them. I'm thinking कि मैं कुछ लूँ. देखते हैं what do they have today. I'm not going to buy chocolates for Swamini because she has got caries in her tooth. So let's see what do we get. This is Jain Physical Institute and this is one office, Thomas Cook ka. I remember going to that interview at Thomas Cook. However, I did not align and they also did not align with me. So maybe in future, someday. Hai Siddharth College at Fort. So I am planning to do my labor laws from here. So in case any of you guys who want me to know any important things, please let me know in the comment box or any which ways, so that I think about whether I should join this college or do we have any more better options over here. So this is the shop Kalatra, which is just opposite to this Thomas Cook. So let's see what they have. So they are having a huge option to select from. I am planning to get something from Lind, if I am pronouncing it right. So Vishesh would like to, they also have a chili flavor यहाँ पे. And also this is something new, Ritter Sport. Ritter Sport and Galaxy भी है, wow. So I ended up taking all of this stuff. A lot of more stuff is coming. There's something new that they asked me to try on. I've taken two. This one is for my bhanja, if I am right. This Galaxy Cookie Crumble. That one again is for my bhanja.
चेंज पाहिजे 145 आणि बाकी
I wanted to try since a long time.
145.
Shweta, I know I message you at this point and I will get you these soon.
355 पण देतो.
145
बेटा स्पोर्ट का कुछ नया ही है, मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स दिस नॉस्टैल्जिया. This is nostalgic.
350
So I've taken all these stuff for around 1,000 rupees. Okay, around इसका. So I'll rush. This looks so good, so clean. And I can't see any cab दूर तक. Hope for the best. ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर लिया, चॉकलेट शॉपिंग. एंड आई नो विशेष मेरे को मारने वाला है घर पे जाके, बट ठीक है यार, शॉपिंग करना है तो ऐसे ही करना है, नहीं तो नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू शॉप विदाउट एनी रिग्रेट्स. सो मैं ऐसे ही करती हूँ, शॉप करो और मस्त सो जाओ रात को. और आई एम रशिंग फॉर माई ट्रेन. आई डोंट वांट टू मिस इट एट एनी कॉस्ट टुडे. सो लेट्स सी, वी कैन टेक दिस subway, but however I think I will just go from this side, cross the road actually, and reach station. So much traffic on the road, like yesterday it was. Same continues. Peak time hai, so people are rushing to their homes. Look at this. Chalo, I have reached the station. Let me get the train. So it was hell crowded today. I have almost reached station. Now I'm heading towards home. And I will end this vlog here itself. I hope कल का जो ऑडियो का सीन था वो आज है नहीं. So I think everything is sorted. The audio thing. Let me know in the comment box and let me know what all things do you guys want me to, include in the vlogs. Swamini ko I will introduce within few weeks. I just really don't want to expose her towards camera so early, but I will try to, put in some of her clips in between. Alright guys, take care, good night.